Did you know that using a multifunctional cooker can save you up to 70% of cooking time? Or have you ever wished for a single kitchen gadget that does it all? Stay tuned, because this Instant Pot Duo Plus is about to transform your cooking experience. Meet the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 electric pressure cooker, a versatile powerhouse that can pressure cook, slow cook, steam, sauté, and even make yogurt. With over 48,000 glowing reviews, it's Amazon's choice for a reason. The Instant Pot Duo Plus solves these challenges effortlessly. Its 9-in-1 functionality lets you cook virtually anything with just one device. The improved easy-release steam switch makes venting stress-free. Plus, the intuitive cooking progress bar gives real-time feedback, so you're never left guessing. Its stainless steel inner pot ensures even cooking and easy cleanup. It's even dishwasher safe. After using it, my cooking routine has never been easier. Imagine making tender ribs, fluffy rice, and creamy yogurt, all with one touch of a button. My kitchen is cleaner, my meals are tastier, and my stress gone. Click the link in the description to get your Instant Pot Duo Plus today and revolutionize your cooking experience.